What's the meaning of antioxidant? Antioxidant. 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 Antioxidant.
Antioxidants are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals, which are highly reactive molecules produced in the body during natural processes like metabolism. Free radicals can also come from external sources like pollution, cigarette smoke, and radiation. When free radicals damage cells, it can lead to diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals by binding to them, thus preventing or minimizing their damage. Eating a diet rich in antioxidant-containing foods can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases.